Hi guys, today I'm going to review this amazing multifunction vacuum cleaner. It's a great product, super well made, works amazing. It comes with everything you need to clean whatever you want. All the different types of tips, and it comes also with the extra filter and it's super easy to clean these filters. You can use the vacuum to clean the filters, and the Type-C charger and the brush to help you clean all the pieces. And like you guys see, it comes with a lot of stuff. It's super easy to use, it works amazing. You just need press and hold the button, and if you press again, it's more powerful, and press again and turn it off, and you can vacuum. This size is vacuum, this size blow, so you can blow the inflatables or whatever, and you can vacuum couch, carpets, even for cars. It's great to clean cars, so super easy, works super amazing. I recommend it. Hope you guys like it. Bye.